Grona. I'm the trades leader tech here for the yard maintenance on steel side at Everest. I've been here for going into my 10th year as a heavy duty mechanic. When I first started here, I never even knew what a Sennebogen was, to be truthful, in regards to as a scrap handler. I mean, I've been around excavators and stuff like this. This thing is no comparison to an excavator. This thing is, they're unbelievable. They are truthfully unbelievable. Basically, every piece of scrap that comes into here is unloaded by one of these and then reloaded into a rail car and then set into our furnace. Again, what we put them through, they hold up really, really well. We don't baby them.
My name's Dynapac. I work at Everest. I grew up around heavy equipment my whole life, so it was, easy for me. It's like riding a bike. Smoother, for sure. It's not as, those other ones you bounce around like a jelly bean. A lot smoother, quieter in the cab too, I noticed. When throwing around scrap, you don't hear it quite as often. Like visibility in the cabs with the cab risers, I mean, that's a must. As for stability, again, second to none. We've never, knock on wood, laid one over. This is number 6. We unfortunately lost one in a fire a while back, and we never ever did replace it, and I really missed it. Well, we did. Well, it's a working relationship, actually a very good working relationship with Redhead. They look after us really well. Service really helps us out when we have a machine down, because as we know, downtime is money, so yeah, they really look after us. I actually have the phone number to one of your guys' parts guys directly to his cell, so we text back and forth when I need parts, and he gets back to me, Aaron gets back to me like right now. It's awesome, it's excellent. So I mean, like, I don't have that rapport with a lot of other vendors for parts and that, and it's nice. It's really, really, and personal. We're actually friends on Facebook now, so.